You are not ugly, but there are 5 habits you are doing every single day that are silently destroying your face, and you do not even realize it. The good news? Every single one of them is fixable, starting today. Habit 1. Touching your face. The average person touches their face over 20 times an hour. Every single touch transfers oil, bacteria, and dirt directly onto your skin, clogging pores, causing breakouts, and creating inflammation that ages your face faster than almost anything else. The fix is simple, but takes awareness. Every time you catch yourself about to touch your face, stop. Keep your hands clean. And if your skin is breaking out and you cannot figure out why, this is almost always part of the reason. Your hands are the dirtiest thing that touches your face. Habit 2. Neglecting your jawline. A defined jawline is one of the most attractive facial features a person can have, and most people assume it is purely genetic. It is not. Your jaw is made up of muscles just like the rest of your body, and muscles respond to training. Start chewing mastic gum daily. Keep your tongue resting on the roof of your mouth. This is called proper tongue posture, and it naturally lifts and defines your jaw over time. Fix your overall posture too, because a forward head posture compresses the jaw and creates the appearance of a weaker chin. Small, consistent habits here compound into a noticeably sharper face within months. Start doing neck curls and chin tucks every single day. Habit 3. Eating sugar and staying bloated. Sugar is one of the most destructive things you can put in your body for your skin. It triggers a process called glycation, which breaks down the collagen that keeps your face firm and youthful. It causes inflammation that shows up as puffiness, dullness, and breakouts. Cut processed sugar. Drink more water. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Reduce your sodium intake because excess salt holds water in your face and makes you look bloated and tired. The clearest skin and the sharpest face you have ever had is sitting on the other side of a cleaner diet. Habit 4. Sleeping less than 8 hours. When you sleep, your body produces collagen, repairs damaged skin cells, and reduces inflammation. When you cut that short, your cortisol levels spike, your skin breaks down faster, and you wake up with puffy eyes, dull skin, and a face that looks 10 years older than it needs to. 8 hours is not a luxury. It is maintenance. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Keep your room dark and cool. No screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. And sleep on your back if you can. Sleeping on your side creates compression lines on your face that over time become permanent wrinkles. Your face recovers at night. Give it the time it needs. Habit 5. Chronic stress. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, and cortisol breaks down collagen, causes acne, accelerates aging, and creates a permanent tension in your face that pulls your features downward over time. The people who look older than they are, stress is almost always a major factor. The fix is not to eliminate stress. That is not realistic. The fix is to manage it before it manages you. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of meditation every morning. It sounds small, but done consistently, it physically lowers cortisol levels and resets your nervous system for the day. Get outside, move your body, breathe deliberately. Protect your peace the same way you would protect anything else valuable, because your face, your health, and your energy all depend on it. A calm person looks better. That is not an opinion, it is biology. So there they are, the 5 habits that are silently destroying your face every single day. Stop touching your face, train your jaw, clean up your diet, sleep 8 hours, and manage your stress. None of these require money. None of them require surgery. They just require consistency, and most people will not do them, which means if you do, you are already ahead. Drop I am in the comments if you are committing to all 5 starting today, and if this opened your eyes, subscribe.